Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of The Easy Life. In this episode, we will be unboxing the Airbot Swift, Airbot's latest newest model of handheld vacuum cleaners. This vacuum cleaner is recommended by our friend Shirleen. Shirleen runs a TikTok live show and she sells handheld vacuum cleaners by Airbot. So we're going to unbox the Airbot and we're going to go through its components and its different parts together. Here's a little bit more about the brand Airbot. Airbot is a homegrown Singapore brand. Its robots, however, or vacuum cleaners, are actually built and made in China. As a result, if you're living in Singapore, collecting your robot or receiving a robot via parcel is actually quite quick. Within 1 or 2 working days, you'll be able to get your hands on it. And they're easily contactable as well, should you have any issues regarding your robot. Here are the vacuum cleaner parts. This is the bag, which contains the user manual, warranty card, a brush for you to clean, and screws for you to screw its stand holder into place to hold your vacuum cleaner. This is its pipe. So for a standing vacuum cleaner, like this, I think this is where you put it in. Should be. Put it up here first. This should be the main body of the vacuum cleaner. So this should be the handle of the vacuum cleaner. It has its on-off buttons and mode buttons. This should be its dust compartment tank. It's easily removable like this, and then you can throw the trash away. If I'm not wrong, this part should be removable for cleaning. Let me see. There it is. There is an indicator with lock and unlock logos. So I think it's turned anti-clockwise. Yeah. So I believe that is the HEPA filter and its sponge. And let's try assembling everything back together again. Give me a moment while I try to figure it out. It's not very clear because there's no indicator exactly, but here we go. It's not very hard to do, you just require some practice, and you can easily slide its dust compartment back on. People say it's light, but to me I feel it's a bit heavy. The battery is quite heavy for me. Let's see how I'll feel after using it. So I'll put this up here. Okay, what else is there in the box? We have a charging port. Okay. Let's go on to the next layer. The next layer, we have the different heads for the vacuum cleaner to change into. So this is the floor one. Alright, I heard that on the inside there is some kind of metal bristle, so they help you comb off hair and fur. Quite interesting. Oh, you can even take it out to wash. Oh, that makes life a lot easier. Good, good. It's easy to slide back on as well. Next up, shall we try attaching it together? Let's try this. Okay, it clicks, and then I think this way. Yeah, it clicks. Here you go. So this is, I think, at its longest. Should look like this. It rolls quite smoothly. Okay, to take out is quite easy as well. Just click the button, it comes out. Yeah. Can we do it short? Let's try. No, we can't really do it short. It refuses to click. It gets kind of stuck too if you force it. Uh-oh. Okay. Yeah, so I don't think you can do it short for this one, unfortunately. Alright, so next component that we can try is this one. Heard this is for cars, but I guess in your houses, tight areas also will work. because of the head. Let's try it as well. Yeah, this one clicks a lot better. Same thing, press the button to release. Here's a small side brush. It has bristles. If you do not want the bristles, you can be like this. If you want the bristles, you can press and push. There you have the bristles. Same thing, I think you can also use it directly on the machine, like this. If you want it on the long one, I think it works too. Should be this way. Yep. Yeah. Situations I can think of when I need to use something like that will be cleaning behind my refrigerator, where it's a bit too long for me to reach. The last thing in the box is the stand. Yeah, so it has 3M tape at the back. If you want to fortify it, you can use the screw that was given. Yeah, it even has a stand for your items. Oh, this way, my bad. Yeah, so you can put it in like this. So yeah, I am quite excited to use my new vacuum cleaner. However, this item needs a full charge when it's first opened. So after that, you should be able to use it quite normally. Once again, thank you to Shirleen for sharing with us about this Airbot vacuum cleaner. Do check out her TikTok page, TikTok lives as well. She doesn't just sell vacuum cleaners, she sells a lot more things. And yeah, thank you for staying tuned. If you would like more information about this product, do check out Airbot's website. And I hope to see you guys again soon. Bye bye.